my fur and whiskers. I'm late, so very, very, late. Don't dawdle now, we're overdue. Oh, dear me. Careful, mind the furniture. Oh dear, that's not good at all. Can't you fall any faster?
Marvelous, marvelous. Marvelous, marvelous. Now, by the way, if you'd really like to know, he went that way.
Hurry now, no time to waste. Oh, careful now. Hurry along, that's the way.
A-E-I-O-U. It's you. Well, haven't you done well? You've done everything correctly, I see. Now, explain yourself. What exactly was it that you wanted? Oh. There's no need to get carried away. How very strange. Who are you?
Well, hit it, child!
Oh dear, I'm very sorry. Well done, well done. Oh, I knew you could do it.
Oh, that's right. All ways are my ways.
Oh, watch the jump. Oh, thank goodness. I'm dreadfully sorry. I hope this doesn't hurt. Oh, I knew you could do it. Well done, well done. Well done, well done. I'm dreadfully sorry. I hope this doesn't hurt. Oh, watch the jump. Almost there.
Off with their heads! Off with their heads!
Statistically, you know, 10 past 2 is the most delightful time of day for tea.
A calculation made more probable by the omission of cake and cream, wouldn't you say?
Butter? With mustard and jam, if you don't mind. How rude! How very, very rude indeed! Is it autumn already? Oh my goodness! Why, you brought confetti to my unbirthday party!
Confetti? What silly nonsense. They're leaves from the tree.
Leaves? When? Who's leaving? Oh, you! Get out! Go! Begone! Shoo!
Well, it seems you two could learn a few things about manners. Couldn't they stay for tea?
Oh, don't let's be ridiculous. Of course they can stay for a dance. Why, what a splendid idea.
Ready? Do as we do, or there'll be no cake.
Why, this is the most peculiar tea party I've ever been to in all my life.
Another triumph!
That's simply marvelous. Oh, well done. That's simply marvelous. Oh, well done.
Spectacular form!
That's simply marvelous.
Another triumph!
I must get an unbirthday card for all of you. Good day to you.
Oh, hello.
I'm sorry to bother you, young man. Oh, how lovely to meet you, too. Hello there. My friends the bluebirds told me you've been quite busy. Well, I have a surprise for you. It's a magic wand from my fairy godmother. She hopes it will help you do many wonderful things. Take care of this special gift, and remember, use it wisely. It's almost time to go to the ball, and of course you must be dressed for such a royal occasion. If you can find me some fabric and a needle and thread, I'd be happy to make you something special to wear. With the help of my friends the mice, it'll take no time at all. Your outfit for the royal ball is going to be very elegant.
It really is magic! You look so magical! Now, look for something to cast a spell on. Something sparkly that catches your eye. Just do this! Boppity-bop-boppity, abracadabra! Look at that! Just like Mickey and the Sorcerer's Apprentice! Without the brooms. Let's go find more things to spellify.
I wish my fairy godmother was here to see all the beautiful gardens. How wonderful. Why, hello, dear. I wonder if Bruno is chasing... Gee, I hope you're having fun.
Hey, up there! That looks like a job for your magic wand.
Let's ride snakes now. Whiskers Pluto would get along.
Mr. Honest John took me to Mr. Stromboli, but he was real mean.
Hey, Buzz has a blaster for you!
Gosh, you're just the boy I've been waiting to meet. I'm Peter Pan. Don't you think this is a great place to visit? Hey, you look like you've got what it takes to be a lost boy. Join me in Neverland and we'll see how you do. Come on, it'll be a blast. All right. So long. Hope to see you in Neverland. Hiya. We've got
These pictures are fantastic.
How you doing?
Ah, it's you. Oh, hello there.
Why, that's perfect. It's just what we need to finish up. Perhaps we could go to the ball together. Oh, and if you happen to find more thread, please do bring it to me. I'm sure we can put it to good use. Remember, any thread will do. We'll need quite a lot for all the things we've planned.